Hi everyone, Teacher Nick here today. Today I'm going to talk about the TOEFL IBT speaking section. When we're doing the speaking section, there are a few different things to think about when considering. The first thing is there are two different types of speaking. There's the independent speaking and the integrated speaking. For the independent speaking, one thing to remember, when doing the independent speaking, they can give you multiple different questions of a variety of styles. For example, they can give you a choice in deciding what to do. For example, in learning online or learning in person. Other things they can ask is whether you agree or disagree with the situation and how that situation may be occurring. These are the two different styles of questions that can be asked to you during the independent speaking part of the TOEFL IBT exam. If you're a student looking to improve for your TOEFL test or your TOEFL speaking test, please make sure to look into our TOEFL IBT all-in-one course book. It's there to help you understand your English better, as well as give you specific vocabulary through our memo logic style of vocabulary to increase your English ability. Check it out. You'll love it.